Hi there, students. A conclave. A conclave. Countable noun. Okay, a conclave is a secret meeting. It's a meeting where the discussions that go on are kept secret. So what goes on in that meeting is sub rosa. Okay, it's secret. So a secret meeting, a conclave. Let's see. You could also have, say, a conclave, a family meeting, a meeting of the members of the family to discuss some problem or other. So a family conclave. Now, the more formal meaning of a conclave, when the Pope in Rome dies, all of the cardinals meet together, and that is a conclave, and they meet together to decide who the next Pope is going to be. And this is done in a locked room, and nobody's allowed to go in or come out while this is being discussed. And this is a conclave. Okay, so a conclave, it's a secret meeting. Yeah, a meeting which is confidential. Yeah, a meeting held behind closed doors. So maybe there could be a conclave of international politicians, yeah, where they meet together to talk about things, yeah, to come together in conclave. A council, yeah, the defense ministers went into a conclave. Yeah, it's like a private conference, yeah, where you don't actually get to know what is said, but inside, and probably even you may not discover what has been decided. So a conclave, it's a private meeting, a secret assembly. Yeah, notice in conclave, to meet in conclave. So they're in conclave with each other. They're engaged in having secret meetings and talking to each other. But this isn't something that is going to be public knowledge. Yeah. So wow. I think a lot of politics happens in conclave. Yeah, a private meeting where people decide what they're going to do. A papal conclave. This is where they decide who the new pope's going to be. Okay, so effectively a group of Roman Catholic cardinals. Okay, conclave. This is a fairly formal word. Let's see, I think I'd give it 6.5, 7 informality. I wouldn't use it informally. A private meeting, a secret meeting informally. Use it in, I think, a semi-formal writing, something very formal. Semi-formal conversation. I probably use the word meeting, maybe just about. Okay, and let's see, as to origin. Okay, the origin's quite good. It comes from Latin, obviously through French, as most of these things do. Okay, so in Latin, conclave is a room that can be locked. And if you look at it, con, with, and clavis, a key. Okay, so it's a place with a key. There's a key. You need the key to get in. So, a conclave, a secret meeting. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Conclave.